Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting the facts fast. Note the platform and the exact ban message or error code because that determines the path forward. Next, pull chat logs, screenshots, and timestamps. These are your evidence. Make sure you also record device type, IP change history, and any recent account purchases or policy emails. These details matter. Once done, create a single summary document with a short timeline. It saves time when you appeal or contact support, and it shows you know what happened. You then file the official appeal and proceed deliberately. Fill the platform form, attach your timeline and screenshots, and explain steps you took. Keep tone concise and respectful. Platforms respond faster to clear replies. While waiting, mitigate risk. Reset your password, revoke third-party permissions, and confirm privacy settings. Also, review the exact community rules you allegedly broke, and draft a short remediation plan explaining how you'll prevent recurrence. This shows responsibility, which often improves outcomes when you finish by validating the outcome and preparing for problems. If your appeal succeeds, save the confirmation and immediately test voice chat on another device and network. If denied, calmly request an escalation or customer success manager review and provide any new evidence. For technical issues, clear cache, reinstall the app, check NAT and microphone permissions, and only consider a VPN if regional blocks apply. Explain this in your follow-up. If things still fail, repeat with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.